Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 6 in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. I earn 100 gems. Now click on missions, daily quiz, start quiz. Here you see February 6 a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option. If you select the correct option you will get 100 gems, and if you select incorrect option you will get only 20 gems. Before this I will provide you the correct option. If you still not join XENEA Wallet, the joining link is in the video description. Now I will provide you the correct option. Option number 4 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. After clicking submit button you will see I will receive 100 gems as a correct option and 1000 gems as a bonus. Here you see you have completed 7 days straight. So hopefully you enjoying this video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.